am going to be showing you guys how you can make high ponytail like mine right now. Hey lovers, you are welcome back to my channel. This is another video from yours truly. Hope you guys are doing amazing, and those of you who are new to my channel, you are welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right there somewhere in the corner, and those of you who has been here, you are welcome back. I'm so excited to do this video with you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this ponytail on my 4C natural hair. This is super easy to install. Let's get right into this video. Now the hair is actually flying on my face right now, so can't get it. Okay, like my hair gotta breathe. This hair gotta be breathing. It's been a while. My hair has been locked up in wigs for so long. So guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna install this extension. I wanted something that goes with the color of my hair because I colored my natural hair. You can already see like the black is coming back. The secret has been exposed. It's coming already. So this is the perfect time I think I can use this, or never, because I don't want to recolor my hair this hair color. I'm thinking about doing something different, or just going back to my black natural color. I'm going to be making something really super natural out of it. So sit back, let's install this hair together and see how it's going to turn out. This is how it looks. There's a comb that came with it. I don't know what this is. It has an extra layer that you can use to wrap around the pony at the end of it. And this is how the hair looks. If you are watching me right now and you're not subscribed to my channel, do hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell below to get notified whenever I have a new video posted in my channel. So I already have in this bottle coconut oil, argan oil, and water mix. So I'm just going to spray it in my hair because my hair is really like strong, stubborn, like the owner of the hair. So it makes it softer for me to be able to comb it out, because I have to comb out this whole thing going on right here. I've enjoyed the coloring of this hair, to be honest. Like, I've rocked this hair and I think it's time for it to go. So let me just enjoy this last time by doing this hairstyle, and then I can color my hair back. So it's gonna be looking kind of weird though, like black and gold or whatever that color is right now, because it ain't looking so good anymore. I don't think I mind at this point. The wig has taken over my life. I just want to let my hair breathe again and feel some love and get some attention. I'm just gonna add more water to my hair. So this is really like a protective style for natural hair. So guys, I'm going to be using this small elastic as the base to just first hold the hair. So this is how the elastic look like. I'm just going to use it to hold the hair. So I'm going to pull 3 together. Use it to hold the hair to the point that I want it to be in. This is how I'm going to hold it. But first, I'm going to put in some gel to help the hair sleep properly. I'm going to be using the Eco Styling Gel to gel up this hair. So I'm just going to apply Eco Styling Gel all around my hair. This is the only gel that can hold my hair properly and put them in place. So I'm going to put it all over my hair. This hair is going to be so happy that it's going to be outside happily plain. So I am looking forward to how this is going to turn out. It's been so long I've done ponytail. But I'm looking forward to this. This is how it is looking right now. Just gonna really put them in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the elastic band to band the hair together. This is the elastic band I'm using, 3 of it as the first hold. So this is how it should be. This is how it should be looking. We got lost that first night in rhythms, emotions, with you by my side. So I'm done blow drying. I'm just gonna let it dry. Let it all dry there while we do the other parts. Let it dry up in there. Let it dry up in there. So we'll just clip it there. I'm gonna use this as a band just to band it round to give it that togetherness look that we should have in this hair. So I'm gonna band it all around together. the last bit of hair, I'm gonna put it underneath the hair. So guys, this is how it should be looking after we chuck it in. This is how it should look. So I'm gonna go back a bit. This is the end result of the hair. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about it. I like the outcome. Nice. It's like even with the black on it, it still looks okay. There wasn't too much to worry about. Girl, you hot. You hot. You're hotter than fire. It is nice. I do like it. So for those of us that have natural short hair, I hope this is something that you can do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope you enjoy it from start to finish, and I'll see you right in my next video. Bye guys.